What is up, everybody? It's your boy STEVO from the 313 coming at you with another video on Tamiya Tuesday. Happy Tamiya Tuesday to all my people out there. First up, I want to get to some stickers that I received from my buddy Steve Wick. He goes by the name of Sluicebox Steve. If you guys ever watch YouTube Gold on RC Sparks channel, you know exactly who Sluicebox Steve is. And he also has a channel of his own. I'm going to put his channel in the link. You guys go over there, subscribe to him, tell him that Steve OD sent you. And yeah, Sluicebox, you're going to be going up on the sticker wall of fame. And thank you for sending me these stickers. So, what else do we have going on for Tamiya Tuesday? Well, we are gonna build off number 10. Nose is itchy. And it is the, as most of you guys know, the Toyota GAZOO Racing TS050 Hybrid F103GT. Check out the chassis. This is how it's gonna look when it's all done. So let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. Also coming up today, we got us a little Need for Speed right here, and then that one's coming up too. So a lot of exciting things coming up on the channel. Let's bust this thing open and take a look at all the good stuff. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Alright. In the box, we get what type of motor is this? It is just a regular silver can 540 motor. I do have a torque tune motor that I didn't use in my last build. I'll be putting that in there. Looks like the back drive shaft, and all the grease, all that type of stuff, the gears. This is what we want to see. This is the body. And this is the main seller, I think, of this car, is going to be this body. Let me grab the camera. It's almost like a submarine or a jet or something. So yeah, that's what it looks like here. I think there's more pieces to it. See, here's the tires, are the rims, I'm sorry, the wheels, and then the tires are a street tire, slicks. Those to the side. Looks like A-arms. Some foams for inside the tire. Just more parts. Body posts. Here's another piece of, two more pieces. The headlights down here, and then this other part I'm not sure, but that also goes with the body, so that'll be interesting. And here is the top deck. This is supposed to be carbon fiber, but John says, Burnett's Cruiser says, he thinks it's plastic by the cuts. So, yeah, it looks good though. And then, of course, we have the directions, and here is the decals. So lots of decals here. So if you are going to get one of these, now you know what comes in the box, what the kit looks like, all that good stuff. And if you want to see how this build comes out, make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe, hit that bell. That way you know next time I'm going to put a video up on it. And yeah, so Sluicebox Steve, let me get you up on the sticker wall. There we go, Sluicebox Steve's in the house, along with all these other epic channels. If you guys haven't subscribed to these channels, make sure to subscribe. Lots and lots of awesome channels here. And if you want one of my stickers, I got a few left, just email me. My email's in the about section. Or if you have stickers you want to send out to me, just hit me up and I'll give you my address and put you up on the sticker wall of fame. Thanks everybody for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Later.